Hey everybody, Don Dabney, owner of Left Coast Classics up here in Sonoma, California, and this is just a really clean, adult-owned 1999 Mazda MX-5 Miata. In this video, I'm going to take you around the car, I'm going to take you under it, but first buckle up because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. Man, I could barely get into fifth. Everybody's so slow around here. Anyway, this thing is just, it's immaculate. From what I understand, it's only had like adult owners its whole life, according to the current owner that I've known for years. And so that's a great thing. It's been really, really well cared for. It appears to have been kept indoors its whole life. It's really in nice shape. The car gets up through all the gears, it shifts beautifully, it starts right up, it passes smog without any issue. Everything in the car works, including the Bose sound system here. Let's see. Well, we got terrible reception in Sonoma.
Get to work.
There you go. And ice cold air conditioning, lights, blinkers, gauges, shifter, everything. It's just great. Shifting is great up and down through the gears. Just coming up on this light here. And it's got the original paint, is nice and shiny. The top's in great shape. It's just ready to turn the key and go. God, these things are fun. I forgot how much fun these cars are. God, they handle great too. All right, so there you go. If you have any questions, just reach me directly on my cell number right here. That's the best way to get me. You can call or text. If you're on a third-party site, you should cruise over to my website. There's a lot more information on my website, like probably another 200 plus photos, etc. So check that out. This is my web address right here, Left Coast Classics, L-E-F-T, Left Coast Classics. Not my politics, just my geography. And so check all that out. If you could like and subscribe, that helps us enormously in the algorithms. I'd appreciate it. And if you like Wheeler Dealers, I'm like a huge Wheeler Dealers fan. Been on it 3 times. Can't believe it. We did an old 57 Ford Thunderbird episode years ago, back in the Ed China days. This one right here. We did a 72 Lancia Fulvia. I think that was 2018. That was an interesting episode. Mike came over to buy something else and bought this one instead. And then the last one we did was a one-owner Triumph TR4. So check those out. If you have any questions, again, get in touch anytime. Call or text me. I'm self-employed. I pretty much work whatever 80 hours of the week I want. You know how it works. All right, let's take a peek under the Mazda. You know, I think you can tell from everything else, it's a really original, nice car. And check out this undercarriage. Look how great it looks. Just a nice condition. Obviously, no rust or anything. West Coast car. Just looks really good under here. I suppose somebody could get under this and power spray it or whatever, but it's really clean under here. Looks really well cared for. Everything looks tidy and in order. It's all original paint, so I just wanted to see what kind of shape it's in. Like, check this out. All these lower valance areas are really clean. And it's some minor scrapes right under there. I don't know if you can see those, but look how nice that is. Come around the other side. So that's in just really nice shape down there. And I'll head up to the valance. Now the valance, the car appears to have highway miles, which is actually a really good thing. But, you know, the byproduct is just some chips and things that you can see. Scratches, had some little touch-up paint. Scratches there, scratches, touch-up paint, little touch-up paint. But, you know, you get back a little bit, you don't really see it. Actually, really nice on the under areas.